Well, Chloe girl's waiting on her dinner. So is Brownie. I don't know where Blackie is. Oh, Blackie's way over there. You can hear well, I guess you can probably hear the goats in the background. They're ready for their dinner too. Well, I've got Chloe fed. As you see, she about chases me down when she knows I got food, so I have to make it quick. Or if I don't give it to her fast enough, she'll butt me. She's got me in the hind end before, and it don't feel too good. But it's okay, I still love her. Babies are eating good. They're still growing good. I'm thinking Brownie must be older than Blackie because he's just shot off like a rocket growing. Just growing like a weed. They both look pretty healthy though. Well, I better head up to the goats before she runs out of food or she'll be chasing me for the goats' food. Oh, everybody is so ready for their dinner. Look at them. Fancy and Cindy can't figure out how to get over here. I'll have to give y'all a tour of our goat pasture and how Jeremy made our fences pretty soon. Jeremy done a very good job on building our goat fence. We've had goats going on a year now, and we have only had to chase down goats twice, and it was our fault. It wasn't the fence's fault. We had forgot to plug up the electric, and the electric is what keeps them in. Oh, Kevin's gonna have to smarten up and learn how to get around to this side, or he ain't gonna get no dinner. So watch out Kevin Bacon eat his dinner. He's wagging his tail. I guess that means he's happy. Are you happy, Kevin? Is that yummy? Jeremy's gonna set out a roll of hay. First he had to move this tractor out of the barn to get to the hay, which is over here, but you can't see it. Chloe. The babies. We got this tractor over here warming up. He's going to take it to set the roll of hay out because it's the 4-wheel drive and it's real bad muddy. So Jeremy's going to bring the tractor in here and get a roll of hay, and we're going to set it out real close up here to the feed lot. We've got a new calf and we need to check it out and see if it's a boy or a girl, and we need to tag it. First she's got to bribe Chloe out to get her out of the way, so she'll just stand there. I got my buddy here with me. He's wanting some 11s. Oh, Brownie boy. Oh, Blackie's here too. He don't like 11s as good as Brownie does. Oh, what are you doing? Getting them out of here? Here comes Jeremy in with the tractor. He's got his wraps on. Well, it's close to the top. Come on, Brownie. Go on. Daddy will run you over. Go on. I don't want to play. Go. Go. Go, go, go. Run. Run. Run, run, run. That's what happens when you have friendly animals. They want to get right in the way. Now stay out here so Daddy don't run you over. Here he comes. I'm gonna video Jeremy while he's videoing the tractor. Over here and check on the kids while he's setting that roll of hay out. It's Christmas time in East Tennessee. Okay, the girls are still doing good. Thankfully, our barnyard is right in our front yard, so when we have to set out hay or do something like that, we're just right here if they have to stay inside. Those 2 dots are Chloe's eyes. You look creepy, girl. You got an earring. You got a hitchhiker. Oh, Jasmine's my sidekick. She stays right with me wherever I go. She'd go everywhere with me if I'd let her. She's my good girl. Yep, she's my good girl. Alright, I gotta hurry back around here and open the gate up for Jeremy. I should have been standing there the whole time. I've seen the light. Chloe's over here trying to get out. I believe she might be wanting to have a date with the bull. The way she's been acting here lately. It might be about that time. It's okay, big girl. Well, I'm sorry we're having to do all this stuff in the dark. It's just that time of year where most of the chores, you have to get them done in the dark. I'm gonna have to call our cows in. I don't know whether or not they'll come or if they can hear us. Come on, cows! Hey, cows! I don't know if they can hear me or not. I guess we'll wait a few minutes and see. The cows are coming slowly but surely. I see eyes. You might not can see them on the camera. They heard my big mouth.
Yeah.
Well, we got some of them down here. There's Beetle. And that one right there is old Whiteface. Oh,